The 77-cent support level for NEXO United States dollar in every practical sense, sort of is areas of strength for truly, most certainly is very critical, which explicitly is very huge. NEXO United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents, which generally is very huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for NEXO truly is drifting at $4,322,880, which basically sort of is very critical in a sort of significant manner. NEXO down roughly 3.3% inside the pretty absolute most recent 24 hours in an entirely significant manner and a kind of huge manner. 17 December 2023, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through NEXO cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and basically in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for NEXO, certainly is NEXO a really very wise speculation? Which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. NEXO support and obstruction levels and so on, so NEXO support and opposition levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner amazingly. In any case, prior to plunging actually profound into the NEXO specialized examination, most certainly let us most certainly generally discuss the very current economic situations in a sort of in every way that really matters, significant way in a significant way. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there quite was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of extremely whole digital currency market to $1,585,909,977,976, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. The actually genuinely complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $47,197,296,274 in an essentially huge manner. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum the most part has a strength of 16.33%, so NEXO United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents in a kind of essentially enormous manner, which sort of is genuinely huge. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,853.52 level after a decay of 1.6% in an essentially kind of large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 1.35%, coming to $2,223.18 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.83, following a value change of 1.49% within a similar time span. So NEXO down roughly 3.3% inside the very most recent 24 hours, by and large certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 0.94 and presently exchanging at 62 cents, which basically is genuinely critical, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Solana came to $72.86 in the wake of seeing a decay of 4.98% in esteem, which for the most part essentially is very critical, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions explicitly fundamentally demonstrate that the market basically explicitly is going in a really lovely descending course for truly beautiful present moment, which explicitly for the most part shows that these occasions especially demonstrate that the market entirely is going in a genuinely descending bearing for sort of present moment, or so they certainly thought. Right now, an essentially extremely broad actually especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a fundamentally especially enormous manner, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. NEXO backing and obstruction backing and opposition actually most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to really fundamentally recognize exceptionally in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an especially significant manner incredibly. Support sort of in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers actually really become kind of more sort of dynamic and fundamentally truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants sort of commonly become move truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how support especially is a level at which purchasers certainly by and large become sort of genuinely more kind of sort of dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Pretty in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they sort of thought. Following sort of truly are the help and obstruction levels of NEXO execution, The sort of in every practical sense, current NEXO cost, most certainly especially is 72 cents, with an exchanging volume of $4,322,880 in the truly sort of beyond 24 hours in an all things considered really significant way, or so they thought. Right now, NEXO especially really is somewhere near 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $405,440,629 United States dollars, exhibiting that XRP, the entirely local coin of XRP, generally especially is somewhere near 0.94 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, or so they especially in a real sense thought in an unobtrusive way. NEXO Value Examination NEXO Cost Examination for 17 December 2023, insight in every way that really matters, certainly day-to-day time span, especially essentially made sense of beneath, or so they generally fundamentally thought in a significant manner. We use in every practical sense, especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of truly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including all things considered. Basic moving very normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially sort of normal, EMA, to for the most part in a real sense break down the future development of the NEXO, showing how furthermore, Solana came to $72.86 subsequent to seeing a decay of 4.98% in esteem, which explicitly certainly is very huge in a significant manner. The NEXO quite has truly break all it certainly especially upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking very great for the crypto market, exhibiting that the sort of absolute exchanging volume for the most part by and large stands at $47,197,296,274, or so they truly generally thought. Right now, in every way that really matters, bears basically are in charge of the market and effectively most certainly take NEXO cost beneath the pivotal help level of 82 cents, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, so NEXO United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents in a by and large in every way that really matters, enormous way. In spite of prevalent thinking. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44 and is attempting to basically really break out of the impartiality zone, showing that NEXO United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents in an unpretentious way, which sort of is genuinely critical. While NEXO's Williams %R pointer certainly in every practical sense is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty exceptionally signal most certainly explicitly is most certainly conceivable at this reach, which explicitly certainly shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $41,853.52 level after a decay of 1.